Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be reacting to a video. Okay, so I think I want to do more of these type of videos on my channel. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see these. Yeah, I need to react to this video because just for a lot of reasons. Yeah, comment down below and let me know if you want me to react to other videos. Oh guys, okay, so if you guys don't know who Jordan Cheyenne is, she is a person here on YouTube. I've actually known Jordan for a long time. I would say like almost 10 years. She was an active viewer on my channel. You know, she would always comment. This was before she started her YouTube channel. She would always comment on my videos. We had plans to meet up one time at, it was either IMATS or Generation Beauty. This was like 6 years ago. No, maybe more than that. It was an event in New York City she was going to go to. I think it was IMATS, but she didn't end up coming like at the last minute. So yeah, I've been a supporter of her for years and years and years. She supported me, like I said before. She had her own YouTube channel, and yeah, I just have to react to this because this is just crazy. It really is. We need to get kids off YouTube. We need to stop parents from making money off their kids because it's disgusting. It really is. She's got a lot of subscribers. She's got like 500,000 subscribers, I think. There's been lots of scandals with her. A lot of people say that she's purchased subscribers. There's just a lot that has gone on with her that I'm not going to get into in this video. We're just going to talk about a video that she uploaded recently. We're just going to talk about it. She has a son. He is 7 or 8. 7 or 8. I'm not sure the exact age. He's in this video. Basically, they got a puppy recently, and the puppy's sick. Puppy has parvo. I have no idea what parvo was. I had to look it up. Apparently, it's like a infection, and it's like pretty serious. So the puppy has that. She uploaded a video recently and forgot to edit out the ending. And we're gonna watch the ending. It's just, it's ugh. All right, let's watch it. Let's watch it, and I'm gonna react like in real time. You guys ready? Be prepared. If you have a heart and soul, be prepared to get pissed off. Like I was, oh, the rage when I saw this. Okay, here we go.
It's okay, it's okay. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Look at me, look at me, look at me. We have to do this. Look at me. She's going to be okay. Repeat this. Say, Rosie is healthy. Look at me. Rosie is healthy.
She's talking about her dog, Rosie. The dog is like at the vet, dying basically. So she's comforting her son. Look
at me. Rosie's beautiful. Rosie is strong. She is healthy. She will make it. She will make it. She will make it.
Listen to the kid cry. Like just, he's literally sobbing. And she's just like, I'm gonna get so mad. Okay.
It's crazy. No matter how much you know about positive mindset.
That's another thing. She's big on like manifestation, law of attraction, bullshit.
Law of attraction. It doesn't matter how much you're educated on that. When you're in the moment, it's still so hard to not feel sad. I'm gonna let you guys go. I need to go be there for Christian. I just wanted to give you an update because so many of you turned on the countdown reminders for my new video today and you wanted to see our big news. Please pray for her. I know she's gonna make it through. She's an amazing, beautiful little girl, and I can't wait for her to bring her home and be part of our family. So if you could pray for us, we appreciate it. I love you guys.
She puts her hand over the, you know, she does this little thing like to end the clip. It kept recording. She didn't edit this part out. This is a disgusting part. You ready?
Come here, come closer for the video. Come closer. Come closer.
First of all, she's like, come closer for the video. Come closer! Like yelling at the kid. Like, okay. Okay, all right. This poor kid. This poor kid. Look at his face right there. Like,
come closer. Put your head right here. Come closer. Close down. Put your head down here.
Put your head right here.
Act
like you're crying. She just fucking said. Act like you're crying. And then the kid says, he says, I am crying.
You're crying. Really quick.
I am crying.
Like this.
Go like this. Go like this. Pretend to look sad. Pretend to look sad. I can't. This. Oh.
Go like this.
No, Mom, I'm actually seriously crying.
No, I know, but go like this for the video. Go like this.
Mom, I'm actually seriously crying, he said. I know, but go like this, pose like this, do this. I know that you're crying, but we need to get a good thumbnail.
One hand up, go like this. No, go like this. Put your hand like this. But let them see your mouth. Let them see your mouth.
Let them see your mouth. Move your hand. Let them see your mouth. You can tell, and I've seen this in like previous videos, you can tell like by the way she talks to him, it's disgusting. And this is not a one-time thing. You can just tell by her tone with him that it's disgusting. It's disgusting.
I don't know, Mom, I'm actually crying.
He said, I don't know, Mom, I'm actually crying, or something like that. Like he's telling her like, Mom, I'm actually crying. Like what did that poor kid. This is just so heartbreaking and disgusting.
Look at me. 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 Look at me.
Look at that. When she's like pretending to cry, like, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Like, oh my God. This is so disgusting.
No, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's over. It's over.
It's okay. It's over. It's over. Like, do you see how quickly she shut off that emotion? It's literally disgusting. And it's sad because when she first started out on YouTube, like she was awesome. She was genuine. She was just fun to watch. But over the past few years, she's just gone downhill. You know, she got plastic surgery. Nothing against plastic surgery. I'm just telling you, like, you know, shit that's happened. So she's gotten plastic surgery. She sells Instagram courses and YouTube courses, and you guys know how I feel about that shit. Anything you want to know, like truly anything you want to know about how to start a YouTube channel, how to start an Instagram account, you can Google for free. You don't need to buy these courses from people unless you want to just support them, but they're not going to tell you anything that's like profound or groundbreaking or that you can't find out for free. They're not. So anyone that tries to sell you a course, they want to make money. There's no secret that they're going to reveal to you. Buy the course if you want to support them, but don't buy these courses thinking that you're going to learn like some top secret information and, oh, it's going to be great. My YouTube channel is going to blow up. My Instagram account's going to blow up. Like, anyway, that clip is just disgusting and heartbreaking. It really is. She made an apology video, and I do not believe for 1 second that she is sorry for that. She's sorry she got caught. That's what she's sorry for. She's actually, what time is it right now? She's actually going on the Dad Challenge podcast. They filmed a video yesterday and he like interviewed her or whatever. And this video is going live in a couple hours. And I'm making this video before I see that video. I know exactly what she's going to say on that video. Exactly what she said in her apology video. She's going to try to come off as, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so disgusted with myself. It's like, you're just, no. I do not believe she's sorry for 1 second. This is behavior that happens all the time. It's just, we don't see it. She edits that shit out. And the one time she forgot to edit it out, she's just honestly sorry that she got caught. If she didn't get caught, she wouldn't be apologizing to us. She's only apologizing because she got caught. She has exploited that poor little boy. It's so sad. She has made so many videos about him, like just revealing personal information that he's not going to want the whole entire world to know. Like when he's a teenager, just like personal things you don't want millions of people to know, you know, like learning disabilities or health issues, you know, stuff like that. That's not, as a mother who loves their children, I would never exploit them like that for money. I would never say like, oh, here's a tragedy that happened to my child. Let me film it on YouTube and make money off it. I could think of so many other people that I could call out in this video. I'll link Josh's channel. He's the Dad Challenge podcast. I've linked his channel before, but he makes videos all the time talking about like, you know, the exploitation of children on YouTube. Definitely go watch his channel because it's eye-opening and it's sickening to see the things that these people do. I just wanted to make this video and just tell you guys my thoughts on this. I know this was not a one-time thing. I know that she coaches her son to do this. It's very obvious in the tone she uses sometimes with him in her videos. If you watch her channel for years, you'll see that clearly. So yeah, I don't believe that she's sorry at all. She's sorry that she got caught. And then honestly, a part of me is like, maybe she did this on purpose. Maybe she leaked that footage on purpose because she wanted a scandal. Maybe she wanted a scandal because her views have been shit lately. I don't know. Bottom line, this isn't behavior that is just a one-time thing. It's been going on for a long time. And I don't think she should just get to say, oh, I'm sorry, and that be it. Like, no. If she didn't get caught, this behavior would continue. And it still might continue. Like, we don't know. We don't know what she does behind closed doors. I mean, we got a glimpse. It's probably a lot worse than that. I've seen comments on other videos where people are like, oh, she made a mistake. She owned up. Give her a break. It's like, the mistake was her getting caught. This wasn't a mistake. It was a purpose. She did that on purpose. She knowingly coached him. She knew what she was doing. She knew if he made a sad face for the thumbnail, it would get more views. She knew it. It wasn't a mistake. It was on purpose. All right, I'm done talking about this. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see more of these videos of me like reacting to shit like this. Again, I will link Josh's channel down below. Make sure you go subscribe to him. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.